Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe SUV concept redefines luxury, blending rugged power with a futuristic edge. Its exterior showcases a commanding presence, step by step, from the striking LED matrix headlights to the sculpted hood and bold grille, to its aerodynamic lines and imposing 22-inch alloy wheels. Pros include a modern, assertive design. The only con might be its overly aggressive stance for traditional SUV lovers. Inside, the Tahoe impresses with its spacious cabin. A 15-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating with a digital instrument cluster. Leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and ventilated seats emphasize luxury. While tech enthusiasts will appreciate the wireless charging and advanced connectivity, older drivers may find the interface slightly complex. Performance steps into a new realm with a hybrid powertrain, delivering 450 horsepower and a maximum speed of 140 miles per hour. Its adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride over varying terrains. Pros include exceptional towing capacity and responsive handling. A con could be the hybrid system's premium maintenance costs. Priced at an estimated $75,000, the Tahoe appeals to affluent families and professionals aged 35-60. Competitors like the Ford Expedition and GMC Yukon offer stiff competition, yet the Tahoe excels with advanced tech and polished design. Chevrolet focuses on comfort and innovation, with standout features like panoramic sunroofs and autonomous parking. Its driving experience is elevated by precision engineering, making it ideal for long road trips or city commutes. In summary, the 2025 Tahoe stands tall as a luxury SUV with unmatched features, balancing power and elegance for discerning buyers. It sets a benchmark for rivals while honoring Chevrolet's legacy of excellence.